Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first you should go into the photos here, into the gallery, and now just for example to hide to this selected photos, we should click here to set as private and click turn on private save. Now just click here agree and continue. Here we should read this description and then click here to enable. Now just we should set a privacy password, so click here draw your pattern or pin code if you got some. Now just here you can enter the 6-digit password. I'll just use the pattern here, the same like in a lock screen. Here we should form the teacher's name, for example, or you can just change the question here. So for example the answer will be the hard reset. Then just click here to OK and click to start. Now just see we should click to got it and click here to consent. So now we got here the private save folder. Now we can add here, for example, these two folders, photos. Click here to set as private, and now we got these two photos in private save application, and in photos we have now these photos again. So that's it. That's how to hide photos in our private save. To hide photos in our device gallery. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.